Today I'm going to show you how I create a hyperlink in Adobe InDesign and then export to a PDF. So I have my document open and I use the Hyperlink Panel, Window, Interactive, Hyperlinks. And I select my text using the Type tool. This email address is info at, for example, mycompany.com. And then I create a new hyperlink. Select email, and it'll normally default to hyperlink. It's when you create a document, it creates hyperlink. When you create a hyperlink, it just creates a generic hyperlink style. And so if you want to change that, you can just create another character style and replace it. So, and for the subject line, I'm just going to say info. And click OK. And then I'm going to create a new style. And then I just replace this with this new hyperlink style I created. And then if you're just creating a hyperlink for a URL, I just go to the hyperlink panel and create new hyperlink from URL. And that automatically does it. Then replace it with my alternate character style. And that's it for the InDesign portion. And then when I export to PDF, save, and under here include hyperlinks, export, and then when I open it up in InDesign in Acrobat, you can see at the bottom here that this is hyperlinked, and it'll open my email and it'll try to go to my company. So that's it. How do you create a hyperlink in Adobe InDesign and then export to PDF? Please like if you learned something. Thank you for watching.